Here's a 2015 Jeep Cherokee. Freedom and adventure await in the sophisticated and versatile Cherokee. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. External memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Experience the Jeep life. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.